Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a new full episode of Frontier Mode. Today, we're gonna delve into Black Lightning number 2. Before I start, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and whatever you know. Okay, we're gonna start with the first one. 20 rounds for the victory and 4 generals. 2 nukes, by the way. Okay, how much health do the fortresses have? 1,000 and 750. Okay. Generals. Guderian, Rommel, Yamashita, and Konev. Okay, let's throw the nukes first. I want to throw it on the 1000er a little bit. Okay. This is gonna be really quick, I guess. Okay, we'll completely blast through the defense lines. Nice damage. Here we are at the second fortress. Boom, we threw this down. Okay, we choose the economic. 20 rounds for the victory, 3 nukes, 1 H-bomb, and 4 generals. Okay. $1,500 both, okay. The difficulty is growing a little bit. El Rommel, El Yamashita, El con F. I don't care about you crapper commanders. Okay, gonna throw the nukes first. Number 1. And number... Oh. Alright, we can't throw all nukes, but here is a nice depot, which we can use. I don't think we're gonna need it. Come on, I'll take the city nevertheless. Never forced to destroy Papagos. Okay, throw the nukes now. H-bomb. Nuke. This is so unrealistic. A fortress of 1945 can withstand, especially the huge fortresses later, can withstand kind of unlimited nukes. Not unlimited, but you know what I mean. This is just ridiculous. Okay, throwing this down in 4 turns again. We increase the artillery. No, the infantry, no artillery. I'm gonna just sweep. I don't know which one to pick. Okay, stop here. Artillery, okay. Artillery, 2 nukes, 1 H-bomb, 20 rounds, and 4 generals. Okay. Yeah. Artillery was right. Yamashita. And El Rommel. Come on, are you so weak not to be able to break through a fortress? Flank them. Okay, they got completely flanked and annihilated, and now we're gonna press our advantage towards this fortress. Okay, gonna use some nukes. Come on, H-bomb. Yes. Yes. Come on, you know what? I'm not gonna use it against a fortress. I'm gonna use it against Tito, the meme general. Okay, Tito, you're soon down. Say goodbye, Tito. Completely get nuked out. Nice, we'll break up the fortress. Now it's time to destroy Papagos, who kind of got a little bit overpowered. Okay, gonna quickly suppress some troops here. And then we're gonna break through the enemy's defense line. Boom! And this fortress goes down, and in 5 turns we got this one. We're gonna select the infantry defense. Okay, 2 more and then we're out. 20 rounds, 3 nukes, 4 generals. Okay. This fortress, and this fortress. 1,000, 1,000, and 1,000. Okay, Guderian. We got Rommel. We got... You know what? I'm gonna use Hawkeye first. I don't want to use all those dump troops. I'm gonna use Hawkeye first. Because Hawkeye Force is invincible. On Yamashita, I mean. Nukes are nothing against Hawkeye Force. Just a joke. Okay. But maybe it's actually true because, yeah, they can deal a lot of damage. Crapper troops gonna stay behind. Okay, we're gonna bring you through. You're gonna destroy Tito. You're gonna hide here and ambush Tito. Okay, Blamey gets completely blasted away by Konev. Oh, come on, Tito. Get yourself ambushed. I'm gonna wait here. Maybe then he's gonna come. Then I'm gonna place here and completely destroy him. Okay, the time has come. 566. Destroying them. Crappers in a row. Let's see if they throw a nuke. Gonna end this with a nuke. Okay, 7 rounds for this one. Armor defense this time. Okay, 24 rounds, 3 nukes, 4 generals. We have a mouse. Amazing. We have some crap artillery. Oh, we're still limited to 4 generals. Alright, alright. We're gonna need him, I guess. We're gonna need Dönitz at least. I don't know if we need Horton. And I should deploy Konev. And I should deploy Yamashita on Hawkeye Force. Yep. Let's just advance on the enemy's massive fleet. Okay, mouse. Overall, their defense line. Okay, 6 more for Hawkeye Force. Smashing some crapper naval units here. Clearing the way a little bit. Okay. Yamashita, execute Order 66. Eliminated. Oh, look at this, look at this. Look at this crap. Come on, throw down a nuke on this crapper fortress. 1, 2, and next round. Okay. Soon we're gonna be finished. Soon this is over. Come on, allies, it's over. It's over. It's over. If you stayed around this far, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, which you can do on the left side, check out the new videos, which you can do on the right side. Of course, you can also press the bell button to never miss a new video, or write in your thoughts in the comments below. This would be very, very nice. Check out my community maybe for some new things or questions to my fans. Thank you and see you next time.